Jai Gurudev students. Students, we had completed some of our part of grammar and today we are going to start with our writing skill. First writing skill, paragraph writing. It's not a new topic for you. Already you have studied in your previous classes paragraph writing. Once again today in class 6th also we are going to do this. Let us see how you are going to write paragraph. Now what is paragraph writing? See this. A paragraph is a composition designed to assess the creativity and organizational abilities of a student. When I am saying a paragraph is a composition, it's a composition. Okay. It is designed to know the creativity and organizational abilities of a student. While writing a paragraph, you need to be very creative and organized. How you are organized? You are going to write the proper sentences. That means organizational abilities. A paragraph is a group of sentences written on a topic. Now what is paragraph? Paragraph is a group of sentences written on a particular topic. One topic is given to you and in a group of sentences you are going to write them. In writing a paragraph, the writer should first collect his ideas on the given topic and then organize them in a fluent and grammatically correct order. Now what is paragraph? In writing a paragraph, when you are going to write a paragraph, you should be first you have to collect the ideas on the given topic. Any topic is given to you. If I say good health, so good health, for that you have to collect the information, ideas first. What is good health? How you can correlate good health with bad health? What do you mean by good health? Okay, what is the importance of good health? So all the ideas you are going to collect of the particular topic and then organize them in a fluent. Now you have to organize which sentence you are going to write first, which sentence you are going to write next, last, all this. Okay, you should be very fluent, grammatically correct order. Now grammar of that is sentences should be correct. Okay, if you are writing simple sentence, properly start with a capital letter, end with a full stop or a question mark or whatever comes in that, grammatically, comma, full stop, everything should come properly. Now a paragraph must contain a key sentence that introduces the topic in one line. First of all, the first sentence of the paragraph should be very creative so that a person come to know what you are going to write in that. Okay, so this is what a paragraph, about paragraph writing. This first slide you are going to write in your notebook. Okay, now format of paragraph writing, this also you are going to write. Introduce the topic in one or two sentences so that the reader immediately comes to know what the paragraph is about. When you are starting your paragraph, first of all introduce your topic in one or two sentences. Means if I am writing about good health, I told you that first I am going to give the introduction of what is good health so that the reader comes to know that what the paragraph is, what you are going to write now. Put all your thought, ideas and information about the topic in a logical and organized fashion. Now whatever you are going to write, your thoughts, your ideas, your information about the topic should be written in a very logical and organized way. Okay. Now third important point is conclude the paragraph in a suitable manner. Very properly you are going to give a suitable ending also. Not only you are going to start the paragraph but also you have to give importance to your ending also. Now points remember while writing a paragraph. When you are going to write a paragraph, three main points you have to remember. Follow the word limit given in question paper. Whatever the word limit is given, if it is of 50 word, 100 word, 120 word, that word limit you are going to follow. Next thing, avoid using irrelevant information. Don't write in irrelevant information. Suppose you are writing on a good health and you write about student or about books or this that. No, relevant information related to that topic only you are going to write. Now be careful about grammatical accuracy. Grammatically your sentences should be correct. So this also you are going to write in your notebook. Now this is only for your understanding. I am explaining you this. You are not going to write in your notebook. पहले की 2 स्लाइड्स आप प्रॉपरली लिखेंगे, ये आपको नहीं लिखना है, ये सिर्फ समझने के लिए. What are the steps in writing a good paragraph? Now what are the steps you are going to write for a good paragraph? What steps needed? Before you start writing your paragraph, jot down points that are related to the subject matter at hand. Number 1. The topic sentence is the introductory statement of your paragraph as it introduces the main idea. The topic sentence, the first sentence gives you the idea. It's an introduction of the paragraph. Keep in mind that the readers will greatly rely on what it says to decide if the paragraph is worth reading or not. From your first sentence itself, a reader comes to know that you know the topic or not. If you are writing properly a first sentence, a reader comes to know that whatever you are writing, okay, this person knows about this topic. Now the second point is develop the main idea with the help of relevant details, exams, etc. Now you have main idea. With the help of relevant details, proper details you are going to give, examples you are going to give about whatever you are writing. Third point, do not write unrelated sentences. One idea should lead to the other. Now do not write unrelated sentence. Unrelated sentence you are not going to write. Which are not relevant, don't write that. Okay. One idea should lead to the other. One sentence you have completed, then you are going to write the next sentence. Another, then next. Try to come up with a concluding sentence that is thought-provoking or appealing so that it lingers on the reader's memory. Your paragraph ending should also be good so that the reader comes to know that you know how to write a paragraph. Now, next point. Every sentence in the paragraph must be closely related to the main idea or topic. Do not write sentences which are not in any way related to the topic. Now what? Every sentence in the paragraph must be closely related. Every sentence must be closely related to the main idea or topic. Means whatever you are writing, your sentences should be closely related to the topic, main idea. You should not go away from your topic. Do not write sentences which are not in any way related to the topic. Okay? The sentences which are not related to the topic, don't write. Ensure that the structure of your detailed sentence is such that there is no logical gap in the sequence of thoughts or development of the main idea. Now when you are writing, structure of your detailed sentence is such that there is no logical gap. Logical gap should not be given. Okay, write in a sequence properly. Remember to write complete sentence. Okay, write a complete sentence, don't write incomplete. Reread all that you have written and if need be change the order of the sentence. Read out whenever you have completed, read out. If you thought that the sentence is not correct here, you are going to write in the next. Okay, cut that, write down again. Now for this what you have to do, you have to write first with your pencil, then only you are going to fare it. Once you have completed your paragraph, revise for spelling, punctuation and grammatical error. Just you have completed writing, revise it. See that whether you have written all the spellings properly or not. Punctuation marks are there, that is full stop, question mark, exclamatory mark. Okay, this should be proper or not, comma is there or not, full stop is there or not, and there should not be any grammatical error.